Welcome to our guide on how to fix Roblox not opening on your PC after the latest update. If you're facing this issue, don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy steps to get you back in the game. First, let's try a simple solution. Close the Roblox app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes a fresh start is all you need to resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, the next step is to restart your device. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button. Restarting can often clear up any underlying issues. Sometimes the problem might be with your network connection. Try connecting to a different network. Head to the notifications area in your taskbar and click on the network icon. From there, select an alternative network to see if that resolves the issue. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. Again, go to the notifications area, click on the network icon, and ensure that your network is functioning properly. A stable connection is crucial for Roblox to launch. If you're still having trouble, your last resort should be to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app. Press the Windows icon and type Uninstall App in the search bar. Locate Roblox in the list, click on the three dots beside it, then select Uninstall and confirm the action. Once it's uninstalled, head to roblox.com/download, click on Download for Windows, and follow the prompts to reinstall the app from the Microsoft Store. Hopefully these steps will help you get back into Roblox effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.